From small gatherings at home to grand celebrations, Foodnify helps you find the right chef or caterer to ensure you and your guests enjoy a truly memorable experience. Open the Foodnify app and log in with your account. Click on Find Chef. Select what you want from chef, caterer to baker. Select your cuisine choice from continental to Africana. Select banquet, could be buffet, table service, tea break, even home cooking. Select number of covers. Select your occasion from wedding, birthday, housewarming, anniversary, retirement, burial, etc. Select service type, premium or regular. Type in any other additional information you will like to pass across to Foodnify or the chef. Enter event details such as date, address, and select mode of payment. Place your order. Within a few minutes, you will get a call to confirm your order. And you will be connected to a chef, caterer, or baker within your vicinity in a matter of minutes. Foodnify, the only food app you will ever need.